So anyway, people, in today's video, we're going to be talking about different ways Australians actually say hello. So there is the normal way that people say hello pretty much around the world. It's hi, hello. And that's generally introduced via media format. So a lot of people watch TV shows from overseas, like myself. I like to watch a lot of Chinese TV shows. I don't speak Mandarin. I should though, because a hell of a lot of TV shows from China I actually watch. I should actually speak Mandarin so I can actually understand them a lot better, as well as Cantonese. But we say hello, hi. A lot of different cultures have actually adopted this form, but they also have their original form in the original language, whether it's Fulani or Tongan, Tongan from Africa and Tonga from Pacific. This phone keeps on falling. So, and also Guarani, and you've got Soy and Cree, and you've got Lao, Hmong, Farsi, lots of different languages in the world. That's why languages is just so awesome. It's just like over 6,000 of different languages in the world. So we say hi, we say hello. Another way we say is g'day. G'day, mate. How you going? G'day, mate. Important to put the mate in there, because when you say g'day, mate, it's more informal, more friendly. G'day, mate. How you going? G'day, mate. What you been doing? Usually say that with someone that you actually know. G'day, mate. How you going? You say with someone you actually don't know or you haven't seen in a long time generally. And when someone asks, g'day, mate, how you going? I usually like to say, I'm going by car. That's just my play in it. Because how are you going is like, how are you getting to that place? And I'm going by car. How am I going? I'm going by car. So you're going. How are you going? I'm going by car. Ta-da! Then there's more rude ways you can say hello. So you can say, g'day cunt, how you going? G'day cunt. It's not a mean way, like you're not really saying that they're a bad person. Say, g'day cunt, how you going? It's like, g'day friend, I really missed you. How you going? I really missed you. So anyway, say, g'day cunt, how you going? G'day cunt, what you been doing? I really missed you. I just really want to catch up with you. So, those are some ways you can say hello. In Australia, generally we don't say stuff like Guten Tag and Leho Man, Ni Hao Ma. They're different languages. They haven't actually influenced Australian culture yet, but maybe in the future they might. Especially the Ni Hao Ma from China when they invade us. No, they're not going to invade us. China have no real history of invading foreign lands. Just border skirmishes, pretty much. Anyway, so that is how you say hello in Australia. So if you're in Australia and you're walking and you just want to say hello to people, just say, g'day mate, how you going? Hi mate, how you going? To a stranger, you don't say, g'day cunt, how you going? Don't use that word to a stranger. They might actually take it the wrong way, especially if they're American. You go, what? You call me a cunt? I'm going to beat the crap out of you right now. Anyway, here's where I'll leave the video. And I'd like to leave a comment down below on how you say hello where you are. And have an awesome time saying hello to everyone. Bye-bye.